Hola amigos, I am Sorisa, and today I am going to tell you about ZealSound K66 Pro Studio microphone. In fact, I was looking for an inexpensive but good quality microphone to do some YouTube videos, and finally I found this microphone, the ZealSound USB Microphone, which is an outstanding choice for anyone in need of a high quality microphone for their computer, whether for gaming, podcasting, streaming, or recording vocals. Let's see what inside the box. There is the microphone, and it comes with a USB cable. With two USB, one USB for iPhone and the other is USB-C. By the way, this microphone reduces background noise and focuses on capturing the main sound source. There is also, it comes with the phone windscreen. As you can see, the adjustable tripod stand provides stability and flexibility, allowing you to position the microphone at the perfect angle and height for optimal performance. You can simply connect it to your computer via your USB port and start using it right away. There is no need for any additional drivers or software installation. Let's see the button of this microphone. The first one is the echo. It is not useful for me. Also, there is the headphone monitor control and the microphone volume control. And there is also a practical mute button located on the front of the microphone, providing you with greater control and flexibility during your recording session. Personally, I use Heat Film Editor and it is so easy to use. Just go to Media, this button plus green, click on it and there is the voiceover, and you can start your record. As you can see, it is so simple. I love to share with you the difference between the ZealSound USB microphone and a normal headphone to see the difference. Be the change that you wish to see in the world. Be the change that you wish to see in the world. Guys, if you are looking for inexpensive, good quality microphones to start your YouTube channel or podcast, you need to try this one. The link in description. You will not be disappointed. Thank you guys and see you next time. Bye!